Ang pag-aaralan naman natin sa video lesson na ito ay ang pagkuha ng periodic payment ng isang simple ordinary annuity. At ang mga formula na pwede natin gamitin ay ang mga sumusunod. Una, R is equal to P times I over 1 minus the quantity of 1 plus I raised to negative N pag ang given ay ang present value. At ang pangalawa namang formula na pwede nating magamit ay ang R is equal to F times I over 1 plus I raised to N minus 1. Ang mga variables na nakikita natin dito ay ang the same variables na ginamit natin sa ating previous na discussion. Para sa ating unang problem, a man borrows 75,000 pesos. He agrees to pay the principal and interest by paying a sum each year for 3 years. Find his annual payment if he pays interest at 12.6% compounded annually. So una muna nating titingnan ano ba ang hinahanap dito sa problem na ito. So since ang hinahanap dito ay yung kanyang annual payment, so ibig sabihin nun, we are looking for our periodic payment. And then, ang next natin na titignan, ano ba ang given dito? Are we given the future value or are we given the principal value? So, since ang nakalagay dito, a man borrows 75,000 pesos, ibig sabihin yan, yung 75,000 dito, ito yung amount na kanyang hiniram. So, ito yung tinatawag natin na present value. So, since present value ang given, ang gagamitin natin dito na formula ay yung una nating formula. So, ito yung mga kailangan natin para ma-solve natin itong problem na ito. First, yung value ng P, which is yung ating present value na 75,000 pesos. Ang next natin ay yung value ng R. Meron tayo ditong 12.6%. So, sa decimal, this is 0.126. And then aside from this, we are also given our conversion period. So ang nakalagay dito ay compounded annually. So meaning to say, since ito ay annually, ang M natin dito ay 1. And then also we are given the time. So babayaran niya ito for 3 years. So yung time natin dito is 3 years. So i-compute na natin ngayon ang value ng I, which can be obtained by using the formula I is equal to R over M. Ang R natin is 0.126. Ang M naman natin ay 1. So, 0.126 divided by 1, this is equal to 0.126. Next is to compute for the value of N. So, N is equal to M times T. Ang M natin uli ay 1, tapos yung ating time ay 3 years. So, 1 times 3, this will give us 3. And then, using these values, we will now use our formula for the computation of the periodic payment. So, ang formula uli na gagamitin natin ay yung unang formula na ibinigay ko kanina, which is yung R is equal to P times I over 1 minus 1 plus I raised to negative N. So, i-substitute natin yung mga values na nakuha natin. So, ang value ng P is 75,000. So, we have here 75,000 times yung ating value ng I, which is 0.126. And then, divided by 1 minus 1 plus yung I uli natin na 0.126 raised to negative N. So, yung N natin ay 3. So, we have here negative 3. So, simplify natin yung nasa numerator natin. 75,000 times 0.126, that will give us 9,450. And then sa denominator naman natin, simplify muna natin yung nasa loob ng ating grouping symbol, yung 1 plus 0.126. So, we'll have here 1 minus 1.126 raised to negative 3. And then from here, simplify natin yung 1.126 raised to negative 3. So magkakaroon tayo ngayon ng 9,450 over 1 minus 1.126 raised to negative 3. That is equal to 0.700462,401. Okay? And then, subtract natin yung nasa denominator natin. So 9,450 over yung 1 minus 0.700462,401. That will give us 0.299537,599. And then we divide these two numbers, 9,450 divided by 0.299537599. So ang magiging result natin ngayon ay 31,548.62706. So since ang tinatanong dito ay magkano yung kanyang ibabayad yearly. So meaning to say, approximately ang ibabayad niya yearly ay 31,548.63 pesos. So ito na ngayon yung ating periodic payment. For our next example, how much should be invested in a fund each year paying 2% compounded annually to accumulate 100,000 in 5 years? So kung titingnan natin yung ating problem, ang hinahanap dito ay magkano yung i-invest niya every year. So meaning to say we are looking for the periodic payment. And then ang nakalagay din dito ay para mag-accumulate siya ng 100,000 in 5 years. So meaning to say para magkaroon tayo ng future value na 100,000 pagdating ng 5 taon. So since ang given dito ay yung ating future value, so we'll be using the second formula sa paghahanap natin ng periodic payment. At ito yung mga kailangan natin para makompute natin itong problem na ito. So una, kailangan natin ng ating future value, which is in this case is 100,000. Ang next natin ay yung ating rate. Kailangan din natin ng ating conversion period at saka yung ating time. So yung rate natin sa problem na ito is 2%. So this is 2% which is equal to 0.02. And then yung ating M or yung ating conversion period, this is annually. So ang magiging value nito ay 1. Tapos ang time natin ay 5 years. And then isosolve natin ngayon yung value ng I at saka yung value ng N. So to solve for the value of I, you'll be using the formula I is equal to R over M. So ang R natin ay 0.02, ang M natin ay 1. So 0.02 divided by 1 is 0.02. And then for the value of N naman, this is M times T. So this is 1 times 5. This is equal to 5. So gamit itong mga values na ito, isa-substitute natin ito sa ating second na formula sa paghahanap ng periodic payment. So ang formula na yon ay R is equal to F times I over 1 plus I raised to N minus 1. So since given na yung ating future value, so isa-substitute lang natin siya sa ating formula. We have here 100,000 times yung value ng I na 0.02. And then over, we have 1 plus yung I natin na 0.02 raised to the value of N which is 5 minus 1. And then isimplify natin yung ating numerator at saka yung ating denominator. So 100,000 times 0.02 in our numerator, that will give us 2,000. And then, sa denominator naman natin, 1 plus 0.02, of course that is 1.02. This is raised to 5 minus 1. And then, continue natin yung pagsisimplify natin. We will have here 2,000 over 1.02 raised to 5, that is equal to 1.104080,803 and then minus 1. So, subtract natin yung nasa denominator natin. Sa result, magkakaroon tayo ngayon ng 2,000 and then over ang difference nitong dalawang ito, which is 0.104080,803. So, ang next natin na gagawin is i-divide natin tong dalawang ito. So, dividing 2,000 by 0.104080,803, ang magiging result natin dito is 19,215.839 So, ibig sabihin lamang yan, ang magiging periodic payment natin or ang kanyang i-invest every year is approximately 19,215.84 pesos. So, ito ngayon yung ating periodic payment.